This is Brad from the Breaches Committee. I know it's off season for me to be making a broadcast, but I'm back at the park. It's just before July 4th, and I figured we'd take a quick walk down the town trail on the south side of Lower Allen Park near Lisburn. So the trail that we're walking on runs along the backside of Main Street. It's the backside of the houses on the north side of Main Street. The sounds you're hearing over to the left in the background, well, that's the workers working on the improvements to the fun fort. The finishing touches are going on. Hopefully we'll be able to get back to using that in the very, very near future. Thanks for all your support that made that happen. A lot of people don't even realize this trail is here, but for us folks that live on Main Street, we do. We like to use it instead of walking along the street. It can be so busy. We head to our backyards and go up and down on the nature trail to move through town. Just to show where we are, we're passing behind the red brick church, behind the Church of God, and the Methodist church is in the trees right over here. We have some stumps or some wood logs along the side for folks to sit on, to enjoy the shade, enjoy some of the sun. And the sound of what you're hearing there, they're putting some mulch, some tan bark down to make a nice soft surface in the fun fort, much like we have on this section of the trail. With that tan bark on the trail, it really covers up a lot of the roots that can affect people when they walk. So it's a nice smooth surface. Great for folks to come through here, ride their bikes, walk, cross-country ski in the wintertime. Nicely shaded, nice and cool, even on the hottest of days. And we're approaching Midtown, where the Heck Hotel used to be. Right over there, the gray building. Beautiful Midtown Lisburn. How are you doing today? Great. Have a nice little rainstorm, clear all the pollen out of the air. It's beautiful. And you can see we're back on the tan bark again. There's Over the years, it eroded out a little bit through here, and the township put some tan bark down to make it easier to walk down these grades. We think we're going to see a little bit more of that here in the near future. Here we go, the trail's a little bit widened out. We had a tree come down during the winter. That's been pulled back. Like you heard me say, it just stopped raining here not long ago, so you have some water dripping out of the trees on us. But we come down the back of the trail here, and as we come to the end, you'll see we're down at the lower end of town, in the lower playing fields down along the Yellow Breeches. We hope the next time you're out in the park, you'll try the nature trail out. It's a nice, pleasant little trip. Get you halfway up through the park. Takes you to the upper level, the highest areas in the park. And gets you to McCormick Drive and the Lisburn Estates. So I hope you folks are having a pleasant summer. And we do hope that you will see us and see Breachy come New Year's. Please stay safe and take care now.